time a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it, then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta
are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Gravity is working.
Hello.
When it comes to one-year-old Isaiah, Amir, you are not the father.
Ooh, chunky. Looking for them girls with the big old hoops.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box.
Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like to hear. Got a sexy ass body and your ass looks soft.
Run. Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick, boy. That's a thick ass boy.
What you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass, the sun is still...
Just give me a little bit of that sweet little, come on, let me just taste it, come on, I just want to have a little bite of that, come on, let me just have a little piece, like, come on, oh yeah. You look so fucking terrifying, bro. Come here. Hey, there's an intruder.
Last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel